Here's a C4 to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. And take a look. It's Black Rose Metallic. One of only 935 total, made in 1993. This particular model, as you can see, is a convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 68,000 is all on this one. LT1 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC as we take a look at the front fascia. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. A few little spots where previous owner has touched up maybe a real small rock chip here or there, but you can see paint has a good look to it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, every angle of this car, top up, top down, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Or you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct saw blade wheels, and they're even in the right direction. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. There's a few things I do want to point out in the car as we go around it. I did notice there's a little crack right behind the front wheel well there. But as you can see, the paint shows well down this passenger side also. Of course, tan top to match the tan leather interior, bucket seats, center console, automatic shifter, electronic climate control, dual power seats. I believe this one has a stereo system where it is actually AM, FM, cassette, and CD, since it was kind of at the crossover time between CDs and cassettes. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the rear of the car. At the end of this video, I'm going to put the top up and down so you can see how that works. Very simple to put up and down. Manual top. We'll also take a look at the engine bay, check out those headlights working. And at the very end of the video, we'll take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. But first, remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into C4 Corvettes, or maybe just like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see on that channel with the videos uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase off our showroom floor if you can make it in person. Otherwise, definitely check out the website. A lot of different cars, trucks, bikes, specialty vehicles do get sold and go through our showroom. So go ahead and subscribe to that YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and take a look at the door panels. Of course, power windows, power mirror, power locks. I mentioned dual power seats earlier. Leather buckets. Take a look at the bolster. Little wear up on the side one here. Just kind of what you'd expect with the year and the miles. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up so I can show you the exact miles. $68,273. No check engine light, service engine soons, anything like that. Just the door ajar here, since I do have the door open. Dash looks good. As you could hear a little earlier, stereo system is working. Nice sounding also, of course. Electronic climate control, 350 cubic inches, and of course the LT1 bumped him into the 300 horse range, 340 pound-feet of torque. Dash looks good. Let's take a peek at the headlights. All right, functioning up as it should. This Black Rose Metallic in C4s. I believe a 3-year run, 92, 93, and 94, and was brought back in later model years. Let's go ahead and put the lights back down. Check that out. I do have a tad bit of a noise. Let's see. A little bit of the clunk for a second underneath, but stopped in a hurry and they do function. So I do want to show that. We'll get to the top here in just a bit. Door closes nicely. Sounds as you'd expect a stock C4 to sound. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. Let me get this hood open. We'll check out this engine bay and we'll move along to the top. Should be able to get this one-handed. There it is. It's like a newer battery, fall of 23. Underside of the hood. Hood light's working. There it is. Looks pretty stock. Smooth runner. Alright. Let me go ahead and close this hood up. I'll get her shut down, but I want to show you the condition of the top and how it goes up and down real quick before we take this car for a drive. So stick around just a little bit longer. Did anybody time that? Did it take a minute? I don't think it does. It's got to be pretty close. It's very simple to put the top up. This one's, we kind of call it a black, tan canvas or tan fabric. I'm not colorblind. Side glass. Nice fit, rolled it up on both sides, and as you can see, power windows. Went up on both sides, come around to the rear of the car. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve its purpose just fine. Side glass on the passenger side fits good. Nice tight fit above that windshield. So there you go. Like I said, if you stick around to the very end, I'll show you the top going back down, how easy it folds back in. And then we're going to take this car for a drive. 93 Black Rose Corvette convertible. Actual mile car. Let's check out this top going down, and then like I said, take it for a quick spin.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1993 Chevrolet Corvette. In a color that is very much like a purple. You don't see very many of these colors. Corvettes. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which makes it super easy to drive. Tachometer is working. Digital speedometer is working. Digital fuel gauge showing almost full. Excellent throttle response from this car. Very strong acceleration. Our oil pressure showing between 60 and 70 pounds. Temperature is still rising, almost a quarter of the way up the gauge, and our battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. This is of course a convertible, and we do have the top down today. A lovely day for a convertible ride. Approaching 60 degrees today, and sunny. Very comfortable leather bucket seats, as you would expect from a Corvette. Nice tight handling. Cruise control does work on this car. In fact, your radio is working. Corners like a Corvette very well. Doesn't lean much at all. Acceleration is good. Nice tight steering. It's just a good handling Corvette, and in a great color that you don't see very often. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.